Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Bliss Vlogs. If you're visiting here for the first time, hi, my name is Khushi and it would mean everything if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. I am back as promised with the Chandigarh Hall. I would like to tell you in the beginning that this hall mainly contains sweatshirts and joggers, the things that we need for winters because winter is almost here. Panipat में तो ठंड लगने लगी है. It's kind of cool. I wouldn't say cold, but it starts getting cooler in the night. So yes, now we need the sweatshirts, joggers, hoodies, and all of that. So that is what I got from Chandigarh. So without further ado, let's get the video started. So first up is this green sweatshirt. It says follow the route. This is like a dark green sweatshirt. So a disclaimer in the beginning कि all the sweatshirts that I got it थोड़े से बड़े, थोड़े से oversized because recently I've started liking oversized things. So usually I wear extra small or small, but sweatshirts में हम लोग वैसे ही एक size बड़ी लेते हैं because sweatshirts are bigger. So but this time I got all these sweatshirts in L size. So pretty big size, but it's good. मुझे थोड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. So I haven't worn any of this yet, but I'm pretty sure all these fits very well in sweatshirts. It's good, yes. So this is like a green, dark green sweatshirt. The second one this is one of my favorites, right? मेरा favorite है. This is like the lavender color, lavender pastel purple जैसा color है. It's a very cute color. I love this color. This is also in nail all other than the size, but it says you were not made to be subtle. Yes, I wasn't made to be subtle. So this is the sweatshirt. I love this sweatshirt. It's my favorite of the lot. So yes, moving on. Third one is this one. Brown and black color sweatshirt. This is also a very nice color. This is very wintry color, and brown and black obviously looks pretty good. And ये जो the text that is written, it is in velvet thing. मतलब ये this is not the normally वो लोग print करते हैं वैसा नहीं. This is ये लोग velvet. This is like in velvet cloth. So it is very good. It says the future will be definitely confusing. All these are pretty dope sweatshirts. It says the future will be definitely confusing, and I hope it doesn't turn out confusing, but here it is. Yes. So the next one is this baby pink, light pink sweatshirt. This sweatshirt has something written in the back as well, and this was a very cute color. It says big thanks, and it's about giving thanks, 100% grateful. So this is also again very cool sweatshirt, and on the back it says recognition department, grateful for the journey and thankful for the friends, really grateful and thankful. So yes, this was a very nice next one is this maroon color sweatshirt. This is a maroon color one. This is also a very nice wintry color, I feel. And it says you can be whatever you want to follow your dreams. Very nice. This is amazing. So yes, this is the maroon sweatshirt. I like this one also. I love all of the sweatshirts that I got, because every sweatshirt is unique, something teenage kind of stuff is written on the sweatshirt. So it's pretty cool and nice, and I have bought these sweatshirts keeping in mind that I'll be going to college, if not now, in future. So these will be very handy because it's pretty cool. Now the last sweatshirt the last sweatshirt is this. This is a sap green, kind of light olive green. I'm not sure what to call this color, but yes, this is again green sweatshirt. It says just say no here, and it has a little this thing here. It says reasons. Okay, so just say no, and the reasons for saying no are to stay, no reason to stay, to let it go is a good reason to go, and to leave away, to love myself more, to forgive, okay, to forget all I loved you. Okay, wow. So I love this sweatshirt also. It's a pretty cool sweatshirt. So yeah, that was all about my sweatshirts. Now moving on to joggers. Okay, so I only bought 2 joggers because I didn't need much. I already have a few joggers, so I thought 2 will be good. So the first is, this is like olive green, some dark olive green, or you can say military green. These are the joggers that I got. So it has a little pocket in the thigh area, just as I showed you in the Baroda vlog, the pants and joggers that I got. It is the same. knee thigh area के पास दोनों तरफ you have these pockets, and there are these little detailings. It says, remember who you want to be. I am who I am. Create the highest vision possible for yourself. Be proud of yourself. And on the other side it says, always be thankful for who you are. So yes, this is again a very nice. These are very nice joggers, and both the joggers that I bought, the colors that I chose were like ऐसे colors थे जो it looks good with almost everything that I wear, because I needed common joggers. I cannot have different joggers for different things, So that way I bought the ऐसे colors जो सबके साथ they look good. The next jogger that I have, it's this dark navy blue joggers. It has this line on the sides. It says now or never. The line says now or never, and these simple joggers, it doesn't have much more stuff. It just has its lines, and I like these. I mean, these are pretty good, comfortable joggers. So ideal for college or whatever you say. ये मतलब बाहर भी पहन के जा सकते हैं. They look pretty good. So yes. So that was for my joggers. I got 2 pajamas for myself. I got 2 PJs. These are like this come to print wale PJs, because why not? Very cute PJs. कंफर्टेबल है ये पीजेस एंड ऑब्वियसली अब विंटर्स आ रहा है, यू नीड फुल लाउंज वेयर. सो and the another the second PJ I got is this one. It has, this is also a pink color but a different shade of pink. This has Power Rangers print on it. No, so not Power Rangers, I'm sorry. Powerpuff Girls print on it. Yes, this is Powerpuff Girls print. And ये मतलब yes, normal comfortable PJs. So that was for my haul from Chandigarh. This is what I bought. But I have a bonus round in this video as well, just like I had in the Vadodara vlog. So let's move on to the bonus round. So for the bonus round, I bought 2 nail paints from Nykaa. I got both the pastel colors. I'm really into pastel colors recently. They look pretty good, and pastel colors look good with everything. So they are like amazing. I love pastel colors. So I bought this lavender shade, purple lavender shade, just like the sweatshirt that I showed you. It's this same shade. Applied it also, if you can see it's a little transparent color, so you need to apply 2 coatings of it, but the quality of nail polish is very good, obviously it's from Nykaa, so it had to be good. But yes, the nail paint is really good. This is how it looks good. I love the shade. And the second is this light blue pastel color. So this has blue is the color, pastel blue, and it has black fragments in it. When you apply, it looks like this, if you can see. Yes, it looks like this. So it looks pretty good. I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm sure it will look good. The color is very nice. I love the color. That was it for the Chandigarh haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and you liked the clothes that I bought. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Do everything you want to show your love. I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Till then, stay happy, stay fun, and yes, I love you. Bye.